When homeowners think about increasing property value, major renovations often come to mind. However, some of the most effective improvements are simple and practical. One of those is removing garage clutter. For homeowners in Austin, a clean, organized garage can significantly boost home value by improving functionality, appearance, and overall buyer appeal. Why garages matter more than you think. Garages are no longer just places to park cars. They serve as storage areas, workshops, fitness spaces, and extensions of the home. In Austin homes, cluttered garages often become wasted space. Potential buyers and homeowners alike struggle to see the garage's full potential when it's overflowing with unused items. First impressions start at the garage. For many homes, the garage is one of the first areas people notice. Whether attached to the house or visible from the street, a cluttered garage can create a negative first impression. In Austin, a clean garage signals that the home is well cared for. It suggests organization, maintenance, and pride of ownership, qualities that influence perceived home value. Making the garage feel larger and more functional. Clutter shrinks usable space. When items pile up, garages feel cramped and inefficient. Removing clutter helps Austin homeowners reveal the true size of the garage. Open floor space makes the area feel larger and more functional, which is appealing to buyers and adds to overall home value. Showcasing storage. Potential buyers often evaluate how much storage a home offers. A cluttered garage hides storage potential, while a clean one highlights it. In Austin homes, an organized garage allows buyers to imagine storing vehicles, tools, or seasonal items. This visualization increases the perceived usefulness of the space and makes the home more attractive. Improving safety and accessibility. Cluttered garages can be hazardous. Tripping hazards, blocked walkways, and unstable stacks of items raise safety concerns. Removing clutter improves safety and accessibility. Austin homeowners benefit from a garage that's easy to navigate, which adds to the home's overall appeal and functionality. Supporting better home maintenance. Garages often house important systems or access points. When clutter blocks these areas, maintenance becomes difficult. A clean garage allows easy access to walls, storage, and equipment. In Austin homes, this makes routine upkeep simpler and signals responsible ownership, another factor that supports home value. Enhancing buyer confidence. Buyers look for signs that a home has been maintained. A clutter-free garage suggests organization and care throughout the property. For Austin homeowners planning to sell, a clean garage can increase buyer confidence. When buyers feel confident, they're more likely to view the home positively and consider stronger offers. Creating versatile space. Buyers want. Many buyers envision garages as flexible spaces. They might imagine a home gym, workshop, or storage area. Removing clutter allows Austin homeowners to showcase this versatility. A clear, adaptable space adds perceived value without requiring renovation. Increasing appraisal and market appeal. While clutter itself isn't part of an appraisal, how a space is perceived matters during showings and walkthroughs. Austin homes with clean, organized garages tend to photograph better, show better, and feel more spacious, factors that contribute to higher market appeal. A simple step with lasting impact. Removing garage clutter doesn't require construction or remodeling, yet it delivers noticeable benefits. For homeowners in Austin, clearing out garage clutter increases home value by improving appearance, functionality, and buyer perception. It transforms an often overlooked space into a selling point, proving that sometimes the most effective upgrades start with simply making room.